spin. My favourite would be avocado on wholemeal toast with a poached egg or scrambled egg whites. Ooh, I'd say pancakes with Nutella or French toast, eggy bread. Probably a really nice Chinese or garlic bread with cheese and mushrooms on it. Oh, I could eat that right now. Yeah, because it makes you feel good for the rest of the day. If you go in the morning first thing, you feel good in the bikini for the rest of the day, so I'd say yeah. Beyonce Run the World, Fifth Harmony, Work, and Bobby Brown, 2 can play that game. Probably 2 Get Fit. I've been working quite a lot the past year, well last year, and I haven't had much time to go to the gym. So probably this year, 2018, I'm gonna get fit.